So Triple M, AGN, and Hog, all right off the opening. It's going to be really busy, guys. Rapid fire. We've got 3 great positions here to get out of. Okay, so I will have them all up here as quickly as I can once the markets settle in. Again, I'm expecting Hog, at least based on where the stock is trading right now pre-market, which is about 33.5. I'm expecting our 27 cent calendar put spread to open up at somewhere between 50 and 55 cents. Okay, AGN, let's take a look here. Okay, there's the opening bell. Okay, I'm going to have Hog up here first because that one, to me, because it's the calendar, is going to be pretty critical. Want to take advantage of long Vega. Okay, our long Vega should really help us out here. Okay, obviously we can see that no markets yet. So I'm going to switch over to AGN. Let's see if we have any markets. Okay. Impossible to tell what this thing is trading at, but let's just hope that it stays here for a while before the stock rallies back, which it's kind of doing right now.